So quick update, baking pantry. This is what we've been working on this week. It's been like this for about 2 years. So we've been doing some drywall, trying to get some drywall up, finished up some pieces up here. We've got the light switch that automatically comes on for the lights. We're gonna get the ceiling finished. Just done some taping. That's all the cables for the mini PC. So we're gonna try and get some walls finished, ceiling finished, some skip-troweled on the walls, so it looks a little bit more like that. You probably can't really see, but then we'll get some paint on. Yeah, try and get that back panel up there done. Maybe try and get the shelves finished. We won't be doing the wood paneling on the walls yet. Not going to be doing the drawer boxes yet because there's 24 of those, so that's like 48 slides and 24 drawer boxes and 24 drawer fronts. So that's a considerable amount of time doing those, so we're not going to do those for a bit. Back paneling on the walls down here. And then I don't know if I'm going to do cupboards or drawers yet on the top, like up here. We'll see. But that's where we are at the moment.